In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can add text to your image on Canva just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I have this picture or this image and I want to add a text to this image, okay? All you have to do is you just need to click over here on text, over here, and you can scroll down and you can click over here on add text box, okay? Like this, as you can see, or you can scroll down and choose which style of text you want to add, because Canva have different styles of text here that you can add if you want. So for example, okay, I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna choose one of those styles. Let's choose this one, for example. So just click on the text style that you want to use, that you want to add to your picture, and your text size or your text style will be in your image like this, okay? Click on the second one and then you can delete this one. I will just choose this one and you can decrease the font size of your text like this, and you can keep clicking on your text and you can control the place where you want to put this text, okay? I will put this text here, and to put your own, so just double click on this text and delete this one, and you can, I'm gonna say for example hello like this, and I will decrease and I will increase the font size, and here you go. You can also guys click here on text color and you can choose which color you want, okay, for your text. As you can see, super easy. And that's it. That's how we can add text to image on Canva. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.